Hi, my name's Kim Parker from Plumline Solutions. Your objective today is to learn how project managers process line approvals. First, you will learn the setup requirements for line approvals and then the steps to approve. First, to process line approvals, you'll need to configure the software. This is usually done by the system administrator. To do this, there are 4 things that need to be set up. The first step is to open Access Rights Maintenance. You must give rights to the necessary web application screens. In your example today, the project manager group has rights to communicator and line item approval. The second step is to assign rights to the approval web services. To do this, click on the Web Service tab. There are many web service rights available. The ones listed here reflect the rights for the line approvals and communicator message. Feel free to stop the video to review the rights. You may also reference the Web Apps Deployment Guide for specific rights per feature. The third step requires opening time and expense for project setup. Under the Line Item Review section, ensure the checkbox is checked for Enable Project Manager Review of Time and Expense line items. The fourth and final setup step is in Project Maintenance. Project Maintenance is now available in Web Apps. From the Microsoft Dynamics SL menu in Web Apps, select Project Maintenance. We're going to review the project used in our line approvals today, so click Edit. Project Manager, this is the person that you want to approve the line items. And then you want to ensure that Manager T&E Review is set to Required. Now we're all set to approve the line items. Let's click back to get to the main menu. We're going to select Approvals. Note that there's a queue message on this line so that manager knows that there's approvals available for them. In this case, we're approving line approvals, so we're going to click Line Approvals. When you get in this screen, in our example today, we have a time card and we have an expense report with the status of completed, which means the line items are ready to be approved by the project managers. Let's look at the expense report first. You can click on the information button and it will show the more details, or if you have notes and attachments. In our example today, we only have 1 line item on this expense report, so this is all it will show us. On the time card, it shows that it's going to show us 4 lines, because those are the 4 lines for this project manager to approve. We're going to go into the information button for the details. And let's look at, and on here, we have 5 lines. That's telling us that this last line is not set up to be approved by this project manager. It will show it to you, but they can't approve it. You can approve or reject at the header level. That'll select everything in the screen. If you click Reject, you must put a comment in the comments information box, so that way it goes back to the originator and then the process starts over again. So if you could put something in there like, the hours are not correct, please correct and send back, and so forth. In our example today, we're just going to click Approve. You'll notice this message box will also come up, but it's optional. You do not have to put anything in there. So then we click Commit Actions. Once you approve everything, the screen will be refreshed and your line items will be gone. After all the line items are approved on the document, they will then come into document approvals for the supervisor or manager to approve at the document level. This is all you have to do to approve line items in Microsoft Dynamics SL Web Apps. This concludes our demo for today.